You are a good person. You would never hurt an innocent stranger. You would never follow an order you knew was wrong. You are certain of this. In 1961, a Yale professor proved you wrong, and the results were so disturbing. The experiment was banned from ever being repeated. Stanley Milgram recruited ordinary people, teachers, nurses, fathers. He told them they were helping a memory experiment. In reality, they were the experiment. Every time the person in the next room answered a question wrong, they had to deliver an electric shock, 15 volts, then 30, then 60, then 120, all the way to 450 volts, labeled simply X. At 150 volts, the person in the next room began screaming in pain, begging to be released, saying they had a heart condition. Most participants turned to the scientist in the white coat and asked to stop. The scientist said only 4 words: "Please continue the experiment." Most of them turned back around and pressed the button. 65% of participants pressed all the way to 450 volts, the maximum, enough to kill a person. They did not know the shocks were fake. They genuinely believed they were torturing someone to death, and they did it anyway, because a man in a white coat told them to. This is not a story about evil people. Every participant was a normal person, like you, like me. Milgram designed this experiment to understand one question: how did the Holocaust happen? How did ordinary Germans become murderers? His answer changed everything we thought we knew about evil. Evil is not a character trait. It is a situation. Put the right person in the right uniform with the right authority above them, and 65% of us become capable of anything. The experiment was conducted in 24 countries. The results were the same everywhere. The white coat changed. The uniform changed. The result never did. The most dangerous person in the world is not a monster. It is an ordinary person who stopped asking whether the order was right. Are you asking? Welcome to Unwritten World.